Hi, it's John Foster here and welcome to my channel. And today we're going to be taking a look at this Absima, and you can see a slight difference in the way they approach, and Absima are a little bit more of the thinking green. But yeah, this is going to be a new kit for me to build, and one that I've not done before, not done an Absima before, and yeah, hopefully let's have a little look inside the box and which Absima it is. Yes, it's the Absima Hotshot, the AT3.4 I-Kit. So this is a self-build kit. You can buy this in ready run, but I decided to go for the kit because I like to build, as you all know, and yeah, it's looking quite nice. Let's have a look inside and see what you're presented with. Right, so you're presented with a box like this, really. As you can see, what with the weather being still pants at the moment, wet, windy and everything else we get, I've gone for a kit that's already got the body sprayed. As you can see here, I've gone for this lovely red and black version, and it's already been decaled and sprayed. Looks quite nice here. Even finish and backed. That's not bad. Not bad at all. And oh, Pete, you're gonna like this when I get to the sniff test. Look at the size of these bad boys. Yeah. And actually they've got foams in them as well. So wow, yeah, you get a nice set of boots, as I call them. Wow, look at those. They're right soft as well, actually. Very nice. I found a little sniff hole, Pete. You like this one? Oh yeah, get a sniff when you push it. I jest. And you effectively get everything here. It's all slightly different to the way Tamiya do. A lot of this is all pre-made pieces together. So for example here, looks like the gearboxes are pre-done, and chassis as well. So here, yeah, nice chassis there. Look. Actually, I'll just have a quick look. The gearbox looks like they've got bearings in the gearboxes and the axles already. They look like they're bearings in that side, which is quite nice. I've got some bearings coming. Replace these bushings out, although they're the oil brass type. I still don't like those. Still change those out. And wow, yeah. So everything comes. Oh, shock absorbers. There you go. Might need some oil in those. I don't think they've got oil in those. I'll have to check them. Yeah, they sound a bit like they're dry. But still, they're sort of pre-made and quite nice. And let's have a little look here. Yeah, the different plasticky arms, trailer arms, pinion gears. You get the pinion gears. So everything here is more packaged individually as opposed to on parts trees. This is okay. Sort of labelled up with the various codes. Oh, there you go. The arms, the suspension arms and things, the steering arms, they're all sort of pre-done and pre-made. Quite solid too, look at those. Wow, can adjust those up nicely as well. Yeah. It looks a very nice, very comprehensive kit indeed. Drive shafts, yeah, metal bone types. Yeah, lots in here. You notice no electronic speed controller and no motor. Now, Pete, you're going to be proud of me on this one. We're going brushless. we're going to make this one a little bit more of a rapid puppy. How about that? Wow, that's metal there, and yeah, lots here. There's the four-wheel drive shaft. That's an aluminium, I think, by the looks of things. That's really nice. Wow. Lots of little parts in here. Need to go through the instruction manual to see which is which. You've got the steering system, sort of pre-made. Looks like a little bushing in there. So again, when the bearing kit comes, I'm going to change that out too. So it's bearings. And like a screw pack there as well. So you get all the screws in the screw packs and the screw things. Wow. Again, still quite well presented. Still well, sort of everything nicely packaged up. And yeah, that's really, really nice. Aha. Let's have a look at this, shall we? See what we can have a look on here. The obligatory Absima manual. So let's have a look at this. Oh. Just move there. So there we go. So you get a service, like a service card type thing. Registration form, and then your manual for building. Lots of useful information first of all, and I think this is a lot more information about whether or not you've got it as a ready to run and the type of packages, because again it can have brush or brushless versions. So how to set them up, and then the programming parameters and things for the ESC if you went for their Absima ESC, which Pete tells me is quite a good combination, the Absima brushless system. So yeah, you've got lots of programming. Aha, right, what we got here? So it looks like about halfway through the manual you start to get to the building process. So we want to know how you build it. So yeah, as you can see, not been opened before. I'm struggling with the things there. Right, there we go. Okay, so yeah, it gives you it labels up each of the stages. Looks quite clear, telling you what the sizes are for the steering ends and things. Wow. Perhaps not the same as the way a Tamiya is, but you know, that's why I've chosen the kit to go for something different. So yeah, so put the chassis together, an exploded view. Wow, nice kit indeed. Got this from my wife. My wife bought this for me for my Christmas presents. Yeah, bless her. And then yeah, there's some of the decals if you wish to put any more decals on. Well, so there you are, guys. It is the Absima AT3.4. It's the truggy version. Ready for me to build. No painting on this one. And yeah, we'll see how we get on. See you in the build videos. Take care and keep yourself safe and well, especially from these storms that we've been having recently. It's all the best.